Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II in Milan, Italy, is one of the world's oldest and most elegant shopping arcades, located between the Duomo and La Scala Opera House, built between 1865 and 1877, and designed by architect Giuseppe Mengoni. It showcases stunning neo-Renaissance architecture with a soaring glass and iron roof and a majestic central dome. Often referred to as Milan's living room, the Galleria is home to luxury boutiques like Prada and Louis Vuitton, historic cafés and gourmet restaurants. Its mosaic floors depict Italian cities' coats of arms, including a famous bull symbol that locals and tourists spin on for good luck. More than just a shopping destination, the Galleria is a cultural and architectural treasure, blending elegance, history, and modern Milanese life.